Good morning, student. Myself, Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher, Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, our topic is friction in increasing friction and reducing friction. In previous classes, I also discussed the topic of friction. First thing, I discussed what is friction. Friction is the most important things in our daily life. It is, say to, good friction and bad friction. Friction due to increase of motion and decrease of motion also. If you need of increase of motion and decrease of motion, where your needs, then that term is generate increasing friction and decreasing friction. So increasing friction, where if you need of your motion is going to slow down, so need of increasing of friction. When if your speed is increasing, then need of decreasing of friction. So depends on you what are the needs of the person, increasing friction or decreasing friction, because that is related for the motion of that object. His speed is increasing or decreasing, requirement of friction is increasing or decreasing. So today our topic also is increasing or reducing friction. So some topics are discussed in our daily lives, that is increasing of friction or decreasing of friction. Lubricants are used when you moving on a vehicle, moving on a bus, moving on a surface, then need of friction in our daily lives, because the use of a vehicle, transport medium through move one place to another place. If the contact between two surfaces, tires and road, where contact of them, that is surface, that is wheels. So that is the contact of surface. So that is the contact of surface, where contact is large and that surface is very rough. So that places is more friction, means increasing of friction between two parts of motion. Friction always applied in opposite direction. When our wheel rotation is this direction, that is rotation of wheel in that direction, so friction is applied in that direction, means opposite direction. When force or motion in forward direction, that is friction is backward direction. So opposite of motion, that is called friction. So that wheel in contact depend on contact between surface, where more contact, that is more friction are generated, where that is term of related to friction, that is cause of friction, increasing or decreasing friction. When contact surface, first thing contact surface are increases. Second, that is roughness of surface, that is roughness of surface. That is that depend of these term of, that is the motion of that object. So increasing or decreasing. When increasing of surface, when roughness of surface is increased, then speed is slow, means large friction are applied. If you walking, when your foot inside the surface contact between large, then your motion is slow. If you walk on sand, walk on hilly area, that times friction roughness, surface of roughness is more, that places your speed is slow because roughness is more. Contact surface is large when applied force inside the ground in sand area, so that places your motion is slow because generate of more friction between them. So these things are the reducing of motion, means reducing of, increasing of friction, so reducing of motion. When increasing of friction, then reducing of motion. When decreasing of friction, so increasing of motion, that is the opposite terms. When you play on a game of carom board, that is a striker strike on, when applied a force, your striker is moved forward direction is very slow. You need of some talcum powder on spread on the carom board surface. Then a striker again force applied, that is moved very fast. So in first case, that is the roughness of that board is too high, so our striker is motion is slow. When again that surface usage of talcum powder, means that is the lubrication of that board, so that is the reducing of friction, so increasing of motion in a striker, so that is the increasing of and decreasing of friction. Now again things, when you usage of lubricants in machine or a bicycle, there if you applied the force on a bicycle, that is very high force, then your motion is slow, then needs of lubricants, sub lubricants are the in the gear and chain are you putting, then you applied force, so reducing of friction, so motion of the bicycle is more. When applied lubricants, then your speed is increased, so that is the decreasing of friction, then increasing your motion. So these types of work are happen. So any machine are necessary for lubrication because friction is less and his speed is more, so lubricant is necessary. Lubricants means mobile oil, greasing, and these types of lubricants are used for reducing of friction. Needs of ball bearing in greasing or lubricants, so also is reducing of friction. When you carry a bag, when applied on that object on wheel, so contact surface is less, then contact surface is less, so applied less friction and moving fast, so carry of that bag is very easily because rolling friction contact of two surfaces. Now again you carry of a bag, so that is his strips, so that contact area is increases. You hang a bag, his strip is more, then contact area of that object is to increase, so applied that is less force. So it is also depend on the friction, cause of friction, so his speed is high. So lubricant are usage of any machine that is motion in, so that is reduces of friction and increases of motion. Okay, thank you.